Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk through how to turn on Twitter dark mode. Twitter makes a night mode feature to reduce the strain in your eyes. This night mode flips the background to be black and the text on the side to be white. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch your Twitter app on your device and then you will see your home page. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. A menu flies out from the left side. Step 3. You will see the sun icon here at the bottom left corner. Click that icon and the menu will pop up. Step 4. Tap the toggle to the right of on to turn it on. Twitter's night mode will be activated automatically. You can turn Twitter dark mode off anytime by navigating back to the sun icon and turning it up. Just so you know, it's the same method for Twitter desktop side. So basically, you know now how to turn on night mode in Twitter mobile app. Thanks for watching. Bye.